Hello, in this video we're going to be going over installing Git on Mac and Windows platforms. First we're going to be going over installing on Mac, and then if you want to skip to the Windows, I'm going to leave a timestamp down below for you to follow. Alright, so we have a command to see if we have Git already installed. If you do, you'll see the version after running that command in your terminal. And then if you didn't, we're going to go to this link right here. This is also going to be in the description. And then we're going to install it using Homebrew. If you don't have Homebrew, we are going to be making another video for that, in case you don't have that. And then I already have it downloaded, Git installed, so it's going to be quick for me. This might take some time for if you don't have it already on your system. And guys, please make sure that you like and subscribe and help out the channel. Alright, now we're going to go and start following the steps for installing on Windows. You'll come over here, it's just going to be a downloadable package installer, and then just follow the steps after downloading the installer, and then you'll have Git installed on your system. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And thanks again, and can't wait to see you in the next video.